think our customer service distinguishes Sacramento Laundry from our competitors, in the sense that I think my background in retail, and then our customer service manager, we've hired him out of a hotel, so he has a background in hotel operations, and that gives us that window into what our customers' internal needs are. We're a very intricate part of their business, and we need to be able to meet their needs on a daily basis. And I think that's what distinguishes Sacramento Laundry from any of our competitors. I think one of the biggest things that we've had is that, and one of the things that stick out in my mind in terms of challenges is when we expanded into the San Francisco market from the Sacramento market. It was a referral from a hotel here in Sacramento. Said, "Hey Keith, can you please look at processing linen for our chain of hotels in San Francisco?" And I thought, San Francisco? It's 100 miles away each way. That's a real challenge because we do linen and we have a 24-hour process. We pick up that linen from the hotel, we return it back to our plant, we process it and send it back to that hotel, all within a 24-hour period, 7 days a week. And I thought, going to San Francisco and back and getting all that linen done is going to be a huge challenge. Are we going to be able to do it? Especially when you're looking at, a 600 or 700 room hotel where you would pick up, a truck full, a semi full of linen every single day. It's a lot. It's a big commitment. And at that point, I decided, I'm like, okay, I'll do this. We'll give it a shot. And we tried it out, and we were able to accomplish it, and we were successful with it. And I thought that was a big moment for us, knowing that we could break into that market, to be able to travel that distance in that time and still be able to complete and return our and make our commitment to our customer 7 days a week, 365 days a year. So back in 2009, when we first started in this small laundry, we had about 25 people working for us. And if we were to produce 7,000 or 8,000 pounds of linen a day, we were really thrilled to do that. Today, we employ over 325 people, and we produce somewhere near 33 to 36 million pounds of linen a year.